Ready for a culinary journey? Begin with 2 pounds of chicken, a cup of chopped celery, 1 diced onion, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Saute these in olive oil until the chicken is golden brown. Next, toss in a handful of roughly chopped carrots and 3 quarts of chicken broth. Let it simmer, the aroma filling your kitchen. That's the smell of love. While that brews, boil a separate pot of water and cook your noodles until they're al dente. Once the soup has been simmering for about an hour, blend in the noodles, sprinkle in a dash of salt, a pinch of pepper, and a smattering of parsley. Stir, and voila! Chicken noodle soup, homemade, warming your soul 1 spoonful at a time. Remember, good things take time, and great soup is no exception. Enjoy the process, and the result will surely be a bowl of comfort.
Welcome to a minute of culinary brilliance, where we master the art of creating a delicious chicken casserole. First, gather your ingredients: boneless chicken, a medley of your favorite vegetables, cream of chicken soup, and a handful of aromatic herbs and spices. Start by sautéing your chicken until it's golden brown, then set it aside. In the same pan, sauté your vegetables until they're tender. Now comes the magic. Mix in your cream of chicken soup, add your beautifully browned chicken, sprinkle your herbs and spices, and give it a good stir. Transfer everything into a casserole dish and slide it into a preheated oven. Cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Voila, a mouth-watering chicken casserole in just a few easy steps. Remember, good food is all about experimentation, so feel free to tweak the recipe to your liking. Until next time, keep those taste buds tingling. Time 02.